Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
Today we are making chicken pot pie.
Yum.
Yum. Comfort food.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes great.
Yes, it does.
Easy to make. Stay tuned. Watch how we do this one.
Mm-hmm.
Off camera, Savannah has prepared our base. Today we're using 1 can of cream of chicken soup and a half a cup of milk. She has this blended very nicely.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome. You did a great job. All right, so now we can add our spices.
Okay.
We're using a half a teaspoon of pepper and a half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning.
Smells good.
Oh, it does smell good. Go ahead and stir that up a little bit. Okay, why don't you go ahead and add our chicken?
Okay.
Use your spoon there to scrape out the bowl.
Alrighty.
Perfect.
Want to drop the bowl.
No, don't drop the bowl. All right, now start stirring that up. Get that all mixed together very well.
Starting to smell really good.
It does. It's the poultry seasoning and the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now we need to add our vegetables. But remember, you don't want to stir the vegetables so much that they break down. So you just want to pour the vegetables in, give them a light stir.
Okay.
Okay?
I can do that. Just like this?
Oh yeah, it's looking good. Just fold them in well.
Alrighty.
All right, Savannah, that's looking good. Now, I have our oven preheating. So let's prepare our pie plate.
Okay.
And we'll get the pot pie put together.
Alrighty.
Very good. Okay, so now that Savannah has our pot pie mixed up well in our bowl, I actually preheated our oven.
Yes, you did.
Yes, I did. So our oven is preheating. We're going to go ahead and start putting it together. How about if I help you out with that?
Alright.
All right.
That would be
So you
great.
want to pour the mixture into our pie plate, which we sprayed.
Yes.
We always spray our pie plates.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Also, it didn't stick, correct?
Correct. Or burn.
Or burn.
There we
Don't
go.
let that happen.
Oh, Savannah, look at all that goodness.
That's because I mixed it.
Yes, you did. All right, so now that you have that all scraped out,
Are we supposed to even it out?
yeah, even it out in the pan there. That looks great. All right, how about if we put our biscuits on? We are using
Crescent rolls.
crescent rolls. Everybody loves crescent rolls. We're not sponsored by crescent rolls, but we love them. All right, let me move this out of the way. All right, you want to pop them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Let me peel this off. Pop away.
Got it.
Oh, good job. All right, good job. Let me hold this open for you.
Okay.
Remove the crescent rolls. Hold them together. There you go. All right. Now, let's open them up. Yep. I'll help you with that. All right, you unroll. And we're going to put it right on top. So just slowly go down. Come on. There we go. And lay it right across. How good does that look?
That looks
All right,
good.
so we have a little bit extra.
Mhm.
So we'll just pull that off. I don't know, maybe I'll make something with them.
Alright.
All right. Set that to the side. And we'll just tuck our crust in. I don't know, looking like a pot pie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's looking good. Air holes. That'll help it cook. All right. So what do you think?
I like it.
Looks good?
Yes.
Looks good. All right, now we need to top it with aluminum foil.
Okay.
You want a tip? You take that spray and lightly spray the aluminum foil. When we put it down on there, it won't stick to our biscuit topping. There you go. All right. So let me cover the pie plate.
Okay.
So we're going to cover it lightly and bake for approximately 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so approximately. We'll
Alright.
check on it, see how it's doing.
Alright.
All right. Well, let's get this in the oven.
Yes.
All right. Okay, our pot pie's been in the oven now for about 25 minutes. While it was cooking, I went ahead after 10 minutes and removed the aluminum foil,
Okay.
which allowed our dough on top, the biscuits to cook.
Yeah.
And now I gave it an extra 5 minutes because I wanted them to start browning up.
Alright.
Oh, it's ready. Let's take it out. Take a look.
Yeah.
All right. Now you be careful because the oven door is hot.
Alrighty.
Oh boy.
That smells delicious.
It does. Wow. Look at that, Savannah.
Yum.
Now that looks fantastic.
Yes, it does.
Wow. That's a good looking pot pie.
Yes, it is. We did a good job.
We did. Easy.
Yes.
So easy. Now, there is another option to this. We didn't talk about it in the beginning, but I think we should. We mixed our ingredients up, poured them in the pan. All right. I have in the past heated all the ingredients on the stove in a large pot. It cuts down on your cooking time. And it ends up
Okay.
baking for about 10 minutes because then you're just cooking your topping, everything is hot. But the way we did it, looks scrumptious.
Yes, it does.
All right, well, anything else you'd like to say?
Nope.
Say goodbye to them.
Yeah.
We'll get to eating.
Yes.
All right. Hey, thanks for watching.
See you next week.
See you next week.